to my channel. We are in a different state now because of course I live in South Africa, and of course I'm gonna have load shedding. What can I say? So I had to quickly step out. So I was like, let me just get ready on camera even though I have load shedding. So I moved the whole setup to my bedroom, hence the mess in the back. But yeah, this is what I was able to achieve with no electricity. So if you want to see how I did this and how I got this look with no electricity, stay tuned, and please don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below. I know my neighbors were looking at me thinking, this girl, this hoe. But listen, okay, I have to make something jump with this because yeah, I don't even know what to do. I don't know what to do. So I'm gonna start by laying my wig. If you can hear my neighbors outside, Shem, I am so sorry. Please ignore them. Yo, you be like you try to give me God. Okay. All like electricity going nonsense. I just feel like Huachana. Honestly, Huachana, like oh. I need a beverage. And this is so good, and I hate that it's so good because it makes me like go to the toilet because it has chia seeds, but it's so refreshing. Today we are not doing a new wig, it's just this old body wave. Okay, it's not that old, it's a few weeks old, okay, well, a few months. Anyway, it's not even fully. God, why me? I saw somebody on TikTok putting that wig here. Funniest thing ever. Okay. I think that's fine. And then Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I had to get ready to go somewhere, but I had no electricity. Literally the moment I was about to start getting ready, load shedding kicked. Okay, it's yeah. And now we gotta deal with load shedding too. But alas, I got ready and did my little quick 10-minute phase and put my hair up in this style because I felt like this is the best I can do, considering there's no electricity.